Hello bachcho, the question is a change in amount of yolk and its distribution in the egg will affect. So the yolk is the stored food in the egg. So in the egg the food is stored for the development of the embryo or for the nourishment of embryo. So this stored food is known as yolk, or the food is stored in form of yolk. Now the amount of yolk, on the basis of amount of yolk, the eggs are of several types like A lecithal eggs. It means A means without, lecithal word is related to content or the amount of yolk. So the eggs with no yolk, they are called the A lecithal egg. Then microlecithal egg means a little amount of yolk. Then mesolecithal, it means the moderate amount of yolk. And the macrolecithal, as you see in case of birds, there is a huge amount of yolk. So these are called macrolecithal. So it is the amount of yolk and also on the distribution of yolk. It means the yolk is present in the center. So such eggs will be known as centrolecithal, or if it is present at the one corner. So this pattern of distribution of yolk, these two factors determine the pattern of cleavage. Now the cleavage is the series of rapid mitotic division. As you see, the zygote is unicellular. Now this zygote undergoes mitotic division. So these mitotic divisions in zygote are very fast as compared to the normal mitosis. So these rapid mitotic divisions in the zygote, which lead to formation of a multicellular embryo, these divisions are known as cleavage. Now the pattern of cleavage, it means the cleavage will be in the whole zygote. It will divide the whole zygote, or it will divide the zygote. Suppose if there is yolk at this part, so the part where yolk is present, this is called the vegetal pole, while the opposite end is called the animal pole. So it has been found that the pole at which yolk is concentrated, here the cleavage is very slow or not there. So the amount of yolk or the pattern of distribution of yolk, it determines whether the zygote will divide, means it will undergo holoblastic cleavage or it will undergo the meroblastic cleavage. So if the yolk is, means it is the site at which the yolk is deposited, that site is not going cleavage or the cleavage is very slow there. But the pole at which there is no yolk or the animal pole, the division will be fast. So the pattern of cleavage is determined by the amount of yolk as well as the distribution of yolk, because yolk inhibits or it impedes the cleavage. So the portion of egg where yolk is there will be no cleavage or very slow cleavage will be there. So the right answer of this question is option A. I hope it is clear. All the best.